Hi there, Mark Jamin here, Medical Director for the Haywood County Health Department. Let's talk about this pandemic. In this video, what is going on in those upper Midwestern states where cases are accelerating so rapidly? And please share this video with someone that you care about. So, we've been following the 7-day rolling average of new daily cases per 100,000 population. Today, and you may remember that below 6 is good, below 1 would be ideal. Well, today in Wisconsin, that number is 45, North Dakota 69, South Dakota 67, Iowa 32, Nebraska 33. Positive test rates top 25% in some of those places, and hospitals are becoming overwhelmed in many of them. Deaths are going up. And for comparison, here in North Carolina, we're at 19 with a 5% positivity rate. Florida's 12, New York is 7, Arizona 9, California 8. So what is going on up there? As we've talked about, the virus is an equal opportunity infector. It gets out in the air, it gets on surfaces, and if no one picks it up, it just dies out right there. If there's no one for the virus to jump to, it stops right there. First it was Seattle and New York, New Orleans and Detroit. Then it was California, Arizona, Florida, Texas, and the South. These upper Midwest states have largely avoided the virus up till now, but really, the virus just hadn't got there yet. The virus is just making its rounds, and too many are helping it out. It's not because everyone's bad. You may be super careful all the time, but the one time you let your guard down is the one time it all falls into place. Someone infected but pre-symptomatic, someone you probably know, someone who themselves didn't or couldn't know, and you get infected and the virus wins. We've seen it here in families. We've seen it at work. We saw it with people. We see it with people traveling to other places. We saw it at the Enchanted Salon, and now we've seen it at the White House. And it's the same playing out in those states. People pushing their own agendas with ideologies that ignore or dismiss what's going on. And in the confusion, people get sick. A governor of one party at odds with the legislature of another, not advocating what we know will work, hoping for political advantage. And in the confusion, people get sick. A misguided notion of liberty. Is it really right to discount the health of others in your actions? And in the confusion, people get sick. So if you want to know what in the heck is happening in those states, it's the same story repeated over and over. Remember Einstein's insanity trap, doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result? Well, we've tried ignoring the virus. We've tried dismissing it. We've tried discounting the measures that work. And health and the economy continue to suffer. The virus is making a comeback in Europe. What do you think is going to happen here? We will continue to see it move around as long as there are people who willingly or unknowingly give it a place to go. If you want to break this virus, adapt your life. It can be done. Be together. Be out and about. Just avoid being a close contact. Avoid those around you being in close contact with you. Avoid being within 6 feet for more than 15 minutes without wearing a mask. So be well and be careful, especially right now.